you know, because it's visually interesting, you just want to pick out elements from other cars. You're like, oh, it looks like a 300ZX, and especially if you don't look for that long, you're like, oh, nice Nissan, and you keep looking. There's not many times you see something you've never seen, and it just stops you, and I'm like, what is this? I have no idea what this is. It's really cool. I want it. And so I look it up. It's an Alpine A610. It's basically the French equivalent of a 964. And I was working for Singer at the time, and I saw them all the time, and I'm like, oh, I want one. They're way too expensive. But this car, numbers for numbers, it's almost the same. It's very GT. You can tell that they set it up to be just a really nice distance cruiser. It loves to be on the freeway. It rides a little softer. It's not super compact inside. If you really dig into it, if you keep the turbo spooled, if you keep the revs up, it's kind of shocking. It's a little bit of a Jekyll and Hyde car. It's only got 7.6 to 1 compression, so it's a lazy engine until you just dig into it, and then it goes. It's this really nice, simple geometric shape. It's kind of unique. It's pointy at the front. It comes to this like really nice kind of center line, and there's no grille. It's just kind of this big flat surface. And I love just the rear. It's got E-pillars, right? Which is also really strange. I guess one of my favorite things is that you can kind of pick a part of it and chew on it. There's a lot going on, and it all somehow comes together. Anyone with big money can buy a modern Ferrari, a modern supercar. This car is an opportunity to own something that's totally outside of what people expect and what people know. There's a purity to it that's unsullied by all the media and all the attention and all the hype. I mean, this car is just made to be driven. It's still got character in the motor. The steering's not too light, not too heavy. It's just a great driver's car, and it's just a really cool artifact, something from the 80s that's untouched, and I think that's actually kind of special. It is what I would call the definition of a hidden gem.